Begin by removing the trunk liner panel. Disconnect the wiring harness connected to the original taillights. Unscrew the bolts holding the original taillights on both sides. Unplug the original taillight wiring harness on both sides. Carefully remove the original taillights from both sides. Remove the cover from the original taillight and attach it to the cross taillight. Take out the flat lights from the cross taillight package. Pass the flat light wiring through the original holes and secure them in place as indicated by the arrows. Repeat the same for the other side. Insert the middle part of the cross taillight into the designated hole. Connect the white signal wire plugs from both sides of the cross taillight. Connect the original car's wiring harness plugs to the cross taillight wiring harness plugs on both sides. Use nuts to secure the cross taillight bar in place. Reinstall the trunk liner and any other removed components to complete the installation. By following these steps, you will have successfully installed the cross taillights on your vehicle.